Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to our English class today with Miss Ratna. Before we start our learning today, let's pray together. Pray begin. Finish. Thank you. Then, before we continue our topic today, I will check your attendance list first. But when I call your name, please think about one verb. That is verb 1, yes? For example, I will call Ryan. So, what is the verb in your mind? Like sit, like that. Okay? Do you get it? Start one, the first. Fabian. Sit, very good. Next, Akila. Study, awesome. Anindya. Eat, very good. And then Adiba, drink, of course. Jihan, run, yes, very good. Atta, sleep, oh, awesome. Thank you, that is the kinds of verb 1 that you say. Then we will talk about with verb 1 that's related with our topic today. So, our topic today is about the habits in the past. We did in the past. And the topic is used to. Can you say together? Used to. Repeat after me, yes? Used to. Okay, Ryan, can you say used to? Good. Atta, used to. Very good. Bian, used to. Okay, good. Yes, used to is the habits in the past. Habit. Can you say habit? Habit. Yes, Brian, habit. Habit, good. And India, habit. Yes, very good. Jihan, habit. Yes, of course. Habit in Bahasa Indonesia is kebiasaan, but habit in the past, what we did in the past, not related in present, in the past. Can you say past? Past, past, past. Good. So here I have some example that related with our topic. The first, there is the dialect. The questions in Bahasa Indonesia, yes, look at this. In Bahasa Indonesia, kamu dulu biasanya naik kendaraan apa berangkat sekolah? That is the questions. And then the answer, aku biasanya naik bus ke sekolah. So, we can translate in English is, the first statement, the first translate, what do you take to school? What do you take to school? And the answer is, I usually take a bus to school. Don't forget, we talk about the habit in the past. Here, there is the keywords. The keyword. Keyword is dulu. Dulu is past. Past. So, the question is related with the habit in the past. As the grammatical structure, the question, what do you take to school, is correct. Yes? What do you take to school is correct in grammatical structure. But in the contextual, it's not correct because we talk about the past. Here there is do, the auxiliary do for present. The auxiliary do is using for present. But we talk about the past, not present. And then the answer here, usually. Usually is, yes, using for present. Usually it means that biasanya in Bahasa Indonesia. It's same meaning with the habits. habit, kebiasaan, usually, biasanya. But in the past, we used to. We used to in the past. In the present, we use usually for the habit. Yes. So this is not correct as the contextual, but the grammatical is correct. We have one statement. The correct statement. The question, what did you use to take to school? And then the answer, I used to take a bus to school. Is it correct or not? Yes? Why you say correct? Because it used the past time. There is the auxiliary did for the question, because we talk about the past habit, yes? So did is using for the past. And then the answer, I used to take a bus to school. Yes. Here there is used to. I used to take a bus to school. Can you say together? Repeat after me. Yes. I used to take a bus to school. Very good. Yes. This is the correct for the grammatical and the contextual meaning, because we talk about habit in the past. What we did in the past. For example, now I am a teacher. Is it right or not? Yes? Okay, I am a teacher. But before, when I was child, I used to play with my Barbie. You know Barbie? Yes, for the girls. The girls always playing Barbie, yes? Yes. In bahasa Indonesia, saya adalah seorang guru. Tapi ketika kecil, aku biasanya bermain dengan Barbie. But now, I'm not used to play with Barbie. It's the past. Not related to now, to present. So the keyword is before and now. The time when. For example, Ryan, can you give the example what you did in the past? Can you? I play. I used. Don't forget to using used to. I used to play soccer twice a week. I used to play soccer twice a week. Aku biasanya bermain bola 2 kali di akhir pekan. In the Saturday and the Sunday, yes, maybe, yes. Another example. Number 3. She used to work as a teacher before she became a writer. Is there any verb 1 here? Yes, work is the kind of verb 1. She used to work as a teacher. It happens in the past, but now she is a writer. She used to work as a teacher, but it happened in the past. Her habit in the past as a teacher, but now she becomes a writer. So there is the time to express the used to here. We can use when. We can use when here. When. And then we can use the time ago, the last. And then before. the time. The conjunction, yes. When, ago, and before is the times using for we express the used to in the past, yes. The last example. They used to play soccer together when they were in high school. They used to play. Where is the third one? Yes, play. Play is the kind of third one. They used to play soccer together when they were in high school. But now they are in a university and they are not used to play soccer together. So from the example here, we can conclude that the pattern of the used to. There are two patterns that we can use to make a used to. The first is positive statement and the second one is the negative statement. For the positive statement, we can see the example before. Like this, I used to go swimming every weekend. Look at this. The first is subject. Subject. Can you give the example? What is the kinds of subject? Yes, I, you, they, we, he, she, it. Good, awesome. And then plus used to. Don't forget to put used to after subject. Then don't forget to put verb 1. Just verb 1. Yes? Verb 1, yes, don't forget. We can use verb 1 to make the statement with used to. Here, the example. I used to go to foreign country. I used to go to foreign country. That is the positive statement. Next, for the negative statement. The first is, of course, is subject. Subject first. Because this is the negative sentence, we need to put not, did not, plus used to. But used to because there is the did here. So when we used to, it change to verb 1. Yes, used to, and then of course to verb 1. For example, I didn't used to go to foreign country. I didn't used to go to foreign country. Here, there is the dialogue. There is the dialogue for the example of the used to. B. Did you used to have breakfast? Did you used to have breakfast? And the answer, yes, I did. What about you? B. I didn't used to have breakfast. I didn't used to have breakfast. Why didn't you used to have breakfast? Why didn't you used to have breakfast? And then you answer that. I used to get up lately. I used to get up lately. So I didn't used to have breakfast. I used to have brunch. I used to have brunch. Here I used to get up lately, and then I used to have brunch. That is the kinds of statement that we use to talk about the past habits. So the conclusion is, when we want to talk about the habit in the past, we use used to. But when we talk about the habits in the present, we use usually. Don't forget, you know the difference of used to for the past, and then the sentences using used to, right? Is there any questions? No? I think enough for today. Thank you for your coming today. I'm sorry for the mistakes. Thank you, bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.